to and fro, stop and go.
Back to Lagos.
Yep. Beautiful morning. See you later, Portimao. Here we come, Lagos. Through the caves. Look at that little hole right there. You can go right through it. Oh, here we go.
Don't worry about a rock about.
I know. I don't see any though. We're good. It's super deep on both sides. Exploring the caves along the Algarve. This is what it is famous for. That and probably the nightlife. I think we have a good little anchorage here. Let's do this. Very important. Friends arrived! Oh, so excited. We're just paying the price of our over enthusiasm when putting up the sail last time, which included ripping the sail bag and now having to remove the sail bag, which is not easy.
Way easier to rip it.
Much easier to rip it than it is to remove it. We went ashore and we went to the sail maker. We dropped off the sail bag. He seemed optimistic about being able to make the repairs quickly, and then we asked him about a spinnaker, if he might have one. He said, well, maybe. And then he said, but for me to offer you the sail, I'd have to confirm that it's the right size for your vessel. Here, take this measuring tape and go measure the points on your boat. Anyway, so here we are measuring the points of the boat, and he did make a specific instruction to hoist the measuring tape along with a rope so we could pull it back down again, because the weight of the tape alone would not bring it down. And so in all of our wisdom, we're using 300-pound fishing line or something like that.
Not enough.
Very clever, using the fishing pole. That's the exciting drama of the day. Getting ourselves measured for a potential spinnaker. Hope it fits.
We've anchored up on the inside of a jetty off of Lagos, and we're getting a big groundswell coming in from Gibraltar. The wind's going offshore, but we've got this big groundswell coming inshore. It's pretty cool.
We just left Lagos, we're headed back down to Portimao, but the reason why you can hear the engine in the background so loud is because David is down there right now trying to figure out what's the jam with the Watermaker. Once again, it's not working. We're at like, I don't know, 30% success rate on the Watermaker so far, which is super frustrating because we actually are out of water. We really rely on the Watermaker to ensure that we have fresh water on the boat. Hopefully we're gonna figure out what's going on with the Watermaker and resolve that issue before we do any of our longer passages coming up, because in those situations it'll be really important. Are you ready to do this? Ready, babe? For the beach party?
I hope so. We're going to Portimao to explore a beach party.
Yeah. There's a good chance we'll have one glass of champagne and then come back for a nap, but
Or 2.
we've got this guy with
Or
us,
7.
so you're not
We
sure.
have no more than 7.
Sorry, I can't take you with us. Too much responsibility. Portimo, you've been great. We really enjoyed you. Love your beach parties. Never stop. Very proud of us and all of you party people for keeping things festive.
Off
Tired.
to Faro.
We've been motoring for the last couple of hours, just headed down the coast, and frankly, motoring gets tiresome. We decided we should stop. Stop motoring and start swimming
Let's swim.
in the middle of the blue. The water is so beautiful. Tim's gonna start.
I'm gonna get in. It's gonna be life-changing. What you do is, Tim, you jump off the bow of the boat and then you go
Slide through and then catch it.
and then you catch the line.
A series of great decisions.
Series of great decisions. This is fantastic.
She's in! Oh my gosh. Go team! Enjoying this unbelievable water.
Here, I'm gonna go through the tunnel again. That was so incredible. It was amazing.
Trying to catch some fish. The birds are eating something out here, which is usually a good sign. Oh, there's a big jumping, diving, boiling thing over there. Okay. Come on, fishes!
There's a small fish here, Tim. It's a mermaid. Wow, cool.
That is so cool.
I have no idea what kind of tuna it is. Watch, I'll probably look it up and they'll be like, most delicious tuna ever. I'm gonna Google what kind of tuna they eat off of this coast and I guarantee they're gonna say that thing's delicious. We are coming into Faro and we've got something called Cabo de Santa Maria off to our right here. Look at this where it goes to 100.
Wow.
We're screaming!
Whoa, it's all this crazy current. We just woke up in Faro in the fog and we're hitting the high seas, headed to our next destination where the currents are meeting. It's really cool. Looks like the water's boiling.
That was fun.
It's either weeds or a very, very small tuna.
Looks like a small tuna. Got him.
I think we've had quite enough of the motors. Quite enough of the motors. So, we have a solution. True wind speed is 10 knots. And the true wind angle is also very good for the code 0. Oh, this is exciting news because we are ready to turn those motors off. Ta-da!
Sailing dance?
Yeah. Cool. It's code 0 time!
We're actually moving along pretty good. 4-6.
This is so much nicer than the engines were. We are doing 5.5 knots under code 0 power, where we had been doing about 6 knots with the engines.
If we had that big 20 spinnaker on here, then we'd really be picking it. What could go wrong? Hey, how many runs are there on this?
I know, right?